Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. But what I was coming to tell you guys about it, you probably already heard there on November the 19th, I think it was Friday, Kamala Harris became acting president for 90 minutes while Joe Biden underwent medical procedures. I'm gonna let you listen to some of this.
He left the hospital in good spirits, raising his two fists in the air. The temporary transfer of power comes amid reports of a rift between Biden and Harris.
I can tell you that there's been a lot of reports out there and they don't reflect his view or our experience with the vice president.
They put on a show of solidarity this week on the White House lawn. Both are struggling in the polls. As the pandemic drags on and inflation soars, Harris has a dismal 28% approval rating. Biden not much better at 36%.
You know, it's going to be a lot going on there in New York. You have, they are not allowing the religious exemptions anymore for healthcare workers. It's kind of crazy to me.
Now, everyone, New York City leading the way on vaccinations, safest place to be in the whole country now because of the high level of vaccination. And you should be proud of that, all of you, because you made it happen. Listen to this. As of today, 88% of New York City adults have had at least one dose of the vaccine. 88%, staggering figure. You did that.
All right, Kamala said, we did that. Biden said, no, I did that. But anyway, you guys subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.